EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to assign and modify the equipment status. Let's see what it is about. We select the Modify Status option in the equipment menu. That opens this window showing all the equipments defined inside the currently open drawing file. Status is a code that can be assigned to the equipments selected in the list. Selection can be done in the menu itself or graphically. The active status is the one selected in the menu, which shows all status defined in the project. User can modify the menu content from the database module. Each code has a description and a coefficient associated to it. The latter can be used to define the overall project progress. Status can be assigned to piping lines in the same way. Selecting the Assign Active Status button, the active status is assigned to the selected equipments.